Hello, Ahmed. I am Ahmed Wagman. And today I am explaining about how the execution of the other mini project on sports scheduler. These are the codes what I implemented in my project. And let us see execution of this code. Node dot index dot js scheduler. Now we'll see how to run this code. This is my project sports scheduler. First we have to sign up for giving this my name and last name or email and password as we can select admin or player. Already I have created some database. We can see in pg admin folder. First we have to log in. Here this is login. We can first we have to go with admin as well to create the section of sport. This is my admin page. Here we can create a game, football, add sport. Here we can create also section, create, create. This is way how to create the section. Create section. The section is created successfully. Okay. Then we have two sections, and also we can edit this section also by changing the team names or any like we can change like this. Update section. The section is updated successfully. Now we can see SRH RCB and place we can change. This is how to create the sections and added the sports as well. We can see in this these are in PG admin server. This is our my database. First we go to now first we see usernames. What I created the database. These are the database I created for login and sign up. Sign up is to retrieve the data. Now this is the sports. No, first section I have created. See CSK. These are the section I have created from our project. Okay, let us go to sign up page. Okay, first we are signing as a this is our player page. We can see this is as a section available and create section and we can see reports also. These are the reports. Two sections are created in create. These are the two sections I created till now. That goes to back. See, we can click join also. So the available slot is one. We can retrieve the data like this also. Like we can. These are the database I have created for my project. That's it. here see these are add sports means we already created add sports cricket and football. These are the sports available in our present folder. So we can here see cricket and football. I have created the sports. The, these are the way how to create the sports. Let's these are the sign pages I already explained. Login page. We can already see this is we can also delete this section also. So the section is deleted successfully. Okay, then go to this is also now we go to let us see data how to database okay. See there is only one section available in our database. This is how I created the database and this is my see these are the existing existing so these are the working process for my project. So thank you for giving this opportunity to prepare this new project and explaining about it.